Precision is paramount. As the robotic arms finalize the structure, specialized teams integrate the advanced...
Look at the tolerance on that specific rivet point.
I see it. The finish is excellent. Check the clearance on the main harness here.
Yeah, looks good. Starting the borescope run now.
The thermal map confirms a uniform temperature distribution at this junction point.
Excellent. That matches the expected parameters exactly. The data confirms structural integrity. We are clear for phase A.
Agreed. I'll initiate the movement order now.
The alignment on the ducting looks precise. Confirmed. Tension is within tolerance for process A.
The laser alignment is steady at the reference points.
Confirmed. The jig position is level and oriented correctly.
This visualization confirms the work boundaries. Process A is green, process B is red.
Inventory complete and verified. We are clear for process A commencement.
This lens is designed to withstand supersonic airflow and extreme temperature variations.
A specialized robotic dispenser applies a UV curing sealant around the entire perimeter of the lens.
The anti-icing controller is carefully connected to the main power bus and the manifold sensor lines, ensuring proper integration with the aircraft's central systems.
Power-up sequence complete. Navigation lights fully operational.
Confirmed. All systems are nominal.
Data logged
A large, automated machine applies a thin protective film over the wingtip structure. This film protects...
Checklist confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance.
Process A is clear, please, Supervisor.
The electrical tests and anti-icing assembly data are confirmed.
Perfect. Moving to sign off for Process B traceability.
Maintain current velocity. Ensure alignment on the port side.
Confirmed. Docking sequence initiated.
Manifest and certification sticker verified.
All protocols met. Clear to proceed to Process B.
A specialized GPS and shock sensor unit is affixed to the container. This unit transmits...
Verification complete. Authorized access.
Specialized non-contaminating solvents are applied, followed by a vacuum wipe to ensure absolute cleanliness.
We are within the required microscopic tolerance now.
Confirmed. Locking the array in place and initiating manipulator retraction.
This is the final ECM sensor cabling to the main power bus. Keep it separate from process A.
Roger that. Securing the dampening material now.
This coating is crucial for high-altitude flight, preventing static buildup that could interfere with the sensitive electronic.
Readout is stable. 15,250 kilograms.
Confirmed. The balance is perfect.
Specialized high-visibility red dust caps are installed over the external electrical and pneumatic connection ports.
The heavy transport trailer, carrying the fully assembled Tupolev Tu-160 outer wing panel, slowly exits the main.
Internal temperature holding steady at 15 Celsius, well within parameters.
Confirmed. Shock levels are nominal.
Steady now, bring it back slowly. We have 3 inches clearance on the left.
Copy that, adjusting course.
Hoist control. Panel clear of the trailer. Continue ascent to Bay 3.
Process B integration confirmed. Data bus is active.
Power lines fully functional. ECM system online and stable.
Confirming wing assemble secure.
Panels locked. ECM pod clear.